Hey beautiful people, Samson from Mattbeth Construction again. We're back talking about row houses here in Baltimore, and I want you to see that not all row houses are created equally. So these particular row houses, they're nice and large. They actually made a little community out of the row houses. This is probably a $6 million development right here. It's like, how can you put a $6 million development on a street with a bunch of other houses? Quite simply, you build them. So let's cross the street without getting hit. And we can check this out. Nice big units. Nice big units. Two-car garage. These are very large units. You have a nice little courtyard right here. Again, two-car garages. Opens up. Looks great. Looks fantastic. And then you can see how these other units are built. And of course, they all have patios on top. So this is what row houses look like here in Baltimore. How much each of these costs, it varies. These are pretty nice row houses. They're gonna each be about $800,000 each. If you wanna remodel, if you wanna build one of your own, build a community like this, we're happy to walk you through that. Again, we just want to share with you, this is what you can expect if you're thinking, I want to build myself a different type of apartment community or a different type of community as a whole, give you some ideas of what we can do. So we're going to continue our search. We're actually going to go look at some properties here in Baltimore. So we're going to continue our search. Thanks for following us. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. And remember, build something real and collect rent off of it. Peace.